One of my biggest complaints with my 2026 Ram 1500 Warlock is the rear sag when you're towing or putting a lot of cargo in the rear bed. Now, I get it. This is not a Ram specific issue. This is a half-ton issue in general. These trucks are designed to balance comfort and towing. So today I'm going to attempt to fix that with this product right here. This is a rear suspension leveling kit. It's from a company called MaXpeedingrods. They've been around for 20 years. They are not new to the industry. You can get these on Amazon for 60 bucks. I will say that there are other products out there that do the same thing as this, but cost a lot more. And I'm not saying they're bad products. I'm just saying I wanted something that is affordable and does the job well. I did a lot of research before I ended up going with this product. Now, this is a sponsored video. They reached out and they offered to send this product in exchange for an honest review and let you guys know what I think of it. Here's what we're going to do. I am going to pull the truck in front of my trailer, and I'm going to first measure the bed from ground to the top of the wheel well and get a baseline measurement as to where we're at. And then I'm going to take my trailer, I'm going to drop that weight onto the hitch, and I'm going to then take another measurement from the ground to the top of the wheel well and sort of get a difference on what it is loaded versus unloaded. I'm then going to take the truck, pull it back in the garage. We're going to install these. I'm going to show you exactly what that process looks like. It's very easy. We'll pull the truck back out. We'll drop the hitch weight again and see if it made any difference and any improvement. So let's get started. I'm going to start at the top right here. I'm going to line it up with my wheel center cap. We're looking at about 31 1/8 of an inch. All right, let's drop the trailer down. We now have an effective total of approximately 800 pounds on the rear end of the truck. We've accomplished that with 660 pounds of trailer weight, along with 140 pounds of weightlifting plates that are sitting on the bed of the truck, the tailgate I should say, to equal 800 pounds of effective hitch weight. So we are now at 29 1/4 inches. This bed has dropped nearly 2 inches. I'm gonna zoom in the camera so you guys can see it. Here we are under the truck, and this is the OEM rear support spring. And as you can see, it is still a good amount of distance from the truck frame. It's not even touching. With even 800 pounds of hitch weight, it's not doing anything. So here they are next to each other, and wow, it's a pretty drastic difference. You can see the stock one is less than 4 inches, whereas MaXpeedingrods is nearly 6 inches. And I mean, this one, it's not that hard, really. Seems like it's hollow in the middle, and then you have this plastic base. MaXpeedingrods is very tough rubber. That's the two next to each other, and wow, what a difference. All right, so I've jacked up the truck because these new ones are a lot taller, so I'm gonna need more room to get them in. I'm actually going to spray the top part with silicone. That'll make it a little easier to go in. All right, so I've loosely got it in. I just took this old exhaust hanger. I'm gonna leave that there, and then I'm actually gonna drop the truck, and hopefully that piece of metal will force the spring in the rest of the way. Let's get 2 of these in there. Well, here's the final product, and as you can see, they're taking up way more real estate in that area that separates the bed and the frame. Let's go get it back outside and drop the trailer and see what difference they make. It looks like we are at 29 5/8. Now, as you can see, we're under the truck with the trailer attached, and that rear helper spring is taking up the entire portion of real estate. We now have a rear spring that is supporting the area in between the bed and the frame. Much as I love testing with numbers, here is the non-scientific test. Whenever I would have a load on the back, I could jump on this bed and it would move. Now, it's solid. Way more support. What are my final thoughts? Would I recommend this product to you guys? The answer is absolutely yes. I'm going to give it a 10 out of 10, which is a really good score. In fact, it's a perfect score. The customer service is fantastic. The material of the helper spring is top quality. You can feel it just in how it feels. It feels really nice. The price is right, $60, and the results speak for themselves. We were able to restore 3/8 of an inch of height. That's equal to 20%. That is really impressive. And the bigger story here, and the bigger talking point, is when I was jumping on the rear bed, I was getting no movement. And that's huge because it's not just the height when you load up, it's how it drives and the characteristics when you're going over bumps, when you're on windy roads, right? All those things and all those movements when you're towing a trailer are amplified and delayed, right? So by amplified, the movement's going to feel larger, and by delayed, when you go over a bump on a road, there's going to be that period of time from when you hit the bump and it affects your rear axle on your truck to when it affects the axle on your trailer. And if you got a lot of bumps, you can go into sort of like a porpoising motion where the trailer and the truck just keep moving with each other, and it causes a really unstable, bad feeling when you're behind the wheel. I have a feeling that these rear springs are going to eliminate most of that because, as you saw, I was jumping on the back of the truck and it was not moving. And I know that in the past, when I would attach the trailer, I load my bikes after, and it was moving a ton. And I wish I took a video before. That would have been really nice to see. But I'm sure you guys know, these recoil springs on these half tons, it's soft. It's a soft rear end. This fixed it right up. And when you're going around turns, I'd imagine you're going to have better support with those helper springs in the rear. So overall, I recommend the product. I'm going to leave a link down below in the description and in the comment section. I'll pin a comment. It'll make your towing experience so much better. You're going to restore, on my testing, 20% height. And honestly, if you're going to drop more weight on the hitch, that 20% will probably be even a larger number. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.